السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته، أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا إخواني وأخواتي الأعزاء، ومرحبا بكم في بث جديد من بثوثنا الرائعة. ضيف الشرف اليوم خرم عثمان مير، ضيفنا من بلاد كشمير، بلاد تقع بين الهند وباكستان. سيقوم بإذن الله تعالى في مساعدتنا في شرح المادة التي هي MATH201 كالكولس الثالث. يقوم أيضا بحل بعض الأسئلة التدريبية. عسى الله أن نحرز أعلى علامة ممكنة في الاختبار القادم. فلتتفضل مشكورا أستاذ عثمان. عرفنا
السلام
عن نفسك.
عليكم. آمين يا رب.
يلا 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 اسمع خلاص. open a blackboard و
So now, what are we gonna do? Blackboard?
yeah.
Okay.
أو whatever يعني want. المهم إنه I need some explanation.
I think a good thing we can do is we can just go to
إيش؟ You could use the keyboard.
صح. Forgot about that.
check out the search history. History. Press again.
Huh? Oh yeah. What was I saying? Shit.
math.
Yeah. Math exams.
No, I don't agree actually.
لا.
What if they bring a question they did not bring in all the exams?
Yeah, but it's a good starting point. Malla.
Are you sure?
It's how I learn. I feel like it's the most time
Please
effective.
give me a perspective on.
Tم. But like it's too long. Wallah.
لا بس إنه عادي يعني. You do it fast.
Sure. Let's just go to.
Start with math 252. Start.
Yeah, I have variants. I had notes for every respond. Can you open the whiteboard, please?
Whiteboard?
Yeah.
Windows? All type in whiteboard?
The other one.
You mean blackboard?
The one that.
What's wrong with Windows whiteboard?
I think it kind of sucks. Wallah.
لا, it's been very well. لا. يعني when it launched for the first time it was very bad, but now it's very good.
How do I check artifacts? Lose yourself to dance. I think it was in covariance extraction.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not supported on fucking devices. No, it's not supported on phone. Fuck. So yeah, basically I have nothing. Let's go.
That is not right at Ahmed.
That looks like me. Yes.
Oh, I was explaining something.
208. Huh. Here?
No, it's on whiteboard too.
Yeah, but this 208.
Yes, I was doing it last time. It's somewhat. I did it with you, didn't I?
Yeah. But you did it here. That's insane. Say OG. OG. Let me just go to like a flat version then. Okay.
Create, explore, expand, cool.
Thing. I came.
يا غريب الأطوار يا سنشي. استغفر الله. I'm cooked. Yo, nobody watches that shit, yo.
Yeah, fair enough. Yeah, where do we begin? Yani? That's the issue with like going.
Don't you want to start with the majors? Start.
Let's take this. Yalla.
A and B?
Yeah.
صح, I've heard in different versions had different questions.
Interesting. Fuck.
Yeah, we can't cheat in the exams. Sorry.
Yeah. Which of the following is false for this plane? So how do we do this, right? So we have parallel, we have normal, we have x-axis, whatever, right? What we can do here is that to check parallel, we just check the coefficients. So here we can see that if we double them, we get 8x minus 2y plus 6z, right? So negative, positive, but here's negative.
Oh. So
So
basically,
the coefficients are wrong.
the vectors are not scalar products of each other.
Yes, and this does not matter
So
because it's parallel, but if they are equal, then they coincide. So this is obviously false. It has a normal vector n is equal to this. I mean, this is just the coefficients, right? 4, -1, and 3,
so
right? So passes through the point A. I guess that's a solution. We just plug them in. 4 minus 1 plus 3, which gives us 6. So that's true. So this is true. It intersects the x-axis at 0, 0. And 3 over 2, I mean, substitute again. So it's obviously true. Substitute this. 0, 6, -6 gives us positive. So this is very obvious, right? So the core idea is if it's parallel, then it will be a scalar multiple of the one below. Done. Next up, we have derivative of the partial derivative of w with respect to t. And how we do this is that we just take f of t over f of w negative, I suppose. But actually, no, this is in, what is it called? This is with respect to two parametric equations, which is s and t. So what we can do is that we can see that w is related to x and y, and x is related to both s and t, and y is related to both s and t. But here we only care about t. So what we are going to do is that we are going to substitute t. What is this equal to? So this is equal to x over t. We agree with that, right?
Yeah.
Sorry. Omega is equal plus same thing with respect to y. We can agree with that, right?
Yeah.
Y delta t. Put your bitch ass up. So now what we can do here is that we can differentiate with respect to x, right? With respect to x, that gives us 2x. Pretty straightforward.
Mhm.
With respect to y, it gives us negative 6y. Is calling me, please. Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
What's up?
كله
Building 9. I don't have my laptop on me. We're studying. Are you sure? I'm gonna have to go home though. Yeah, can you and Hamza do it? So Hamza is saving grace, wallah. لا GG's. طب oh. No, that's what I'm saying. It's at home. I didn't need it, so I didn't bring it with me.
Okay.
Yeah. Tam. Yes, yeah.
الله يعينكم.
Let's go back.
يلا
Tam?
تمام yeah.
Yeah, so
Makes sense يعني إنه
so we it's the same thing, but we introduce x and we introduce y. Okay, that's at least how I remember it.
well, my professor likes to do.
I don't know what the actual, because I never paid attention in class.
لا
This is how I remember
This
it.
will make your life 10 times easier. This is dw over dx صح؟
Yeah,
This is dw over dt صح؟
yeah,
Same thing here, dw over dy,
yeah,
dy over dt.
yeah.
Because times this by this, add this to this.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Yeah, it's what you did basically, so you
Yeah.
can do it quickly.
Yeah. No, I know this.
Oh yeah, ما شاء الله. Just clinic يعني الدكتور يصبر.
Anyway, so we just derivative with respect to t, which is what we want. That just gives us negative sine t. S. Because
Yeah.
right? Same thing here, sine cos t, right? And then we just substitute, right? We just put dw over dx, which is just x, 2x, times negative sine t times s plus same thing, negative 6y times s cos t.
Oops. Accidentally drank the water.
Adi. And negative comes out. So we have 2x sine t plus 6y s cos 3. We can bring out the s outside. What did I miss? I missed something.
Did you?
Yeah.
بصراحة the font is very hard for me to read. صح. What does y equal in terms of S2? What does x equal in terms of X? Yeah, something like that.
Oh, صح. We have to substitute. We could substitute. Yeah, fair enough. Let's just bring this up. So we have negative s outside. 2x and x is shit. Okay. 2 into s cos. No, sorry. Yeah, correct, right?
I think so.
And then sine t.
Oh yeah.
Right, plus 6. Y is s sine t cos t. Okay, 2 cos t, 2 sine t. We bring out the s square outside. We are left with. What are we left with? Oh, so we can also take out the, what is it called? We can also take out the whatever, right? Which is just sine 2t.
Yeah.
And then we are left with 1 plus just 6, right? Oh, sorry, 1 plus 3, which is 4, which is negative 4 s squared sine 2t. Them?
طب اسمع.
Yeah.
Now, what about instead of doing this we know the trick in this question. Instead of doing them step by each question on its own or fully,
Yeah.
we'll just we'll go through them. If we find any interesting questions, we'll actually do them.
No, I don't know all of them. That's the issue.
Oh, okay, that's awesome.
I would rather just at least one. I'll do it, and then
good luck.
Yeah, and then the next
actually helps, and I thought I was wasting your time.
No, I want to do it. I want to do it. I've not solved this one, so
go on.
You know, implicitly as a differential equation by the equation is at this point can be equal to what? So implicitly, and we have to do it like this. Isn't this just fy over fc?
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, negative fy over.
Yeah. So we'll just do negative, and what is this on top? Fy, which is just going to be x over y plus, is it correct? 2yz plus nothing.
Yes.
I
had this question in quiz yesterday.
Wallah. Yeah. And then we just do with respect to z, which is nothing here. Here is just y squared. Here is 2z. And we can take the y outside, as in bring it down. So that's x plus 2yz over y cube plus 2zy. And then we substitute this here, which will give us 4 plus 2 times 2, which is 4 over, by the way, there's a negative sign, just in case I forget. Y cube is just 1 plus 2, which is 4, which gives us 8 over 5 negative. Just correct. Yeah, this is not bad at all. What the fuck? Yeah. I've never I didn't solve a paper, Aslan. I just look through how we solve them.
I see.
Domain of the function is the set of all points. The domain, okay. So domain is what we take in. Exactly. So 16 minus 4x squared, 4x squared minus y squared should be greater than 0 or equal to 0, because I think 0 is also fine. But we can just do it. We can just divide it, right? Divide a negative. So that will give us 0 here. And we can just say y squared plus fuck. Let's just put x in minus 16, and then we can just divide it by 16, which gives us, what is it again? Minus 1 over 16 and over negative no wait over 4, and then we can just say y squared over 16 plus x squared over 4 is greater than or equal to 1, which is an ellipse. So so because it's equal to, we can say lying on or inside the ellipse, this one. Fair enough?
Because it's less than or equal 0.
Yeah.
Yeah, fair.
Lying outside, that doesn't make sense. That would be okay.
Well, it will be greater than.
Lose yourself to dance. Equation of the tangent plane to the surface at point. Yeah. Tangent planes. Tangent planes. Do we just differentiate it?
It's the gradient,
Yeah.
I think.
So it's just this.
Not just this. There was something else.
Uh,
yeah. It's basically the gradient and vector. Go on, just find the gradient.
Yeah. Let's find the gradient first. So we have zy is equal to just e to the 2xy first plus then we differentiate that, which is 2x e to the 2xy times y, right?
Yeah.
So e to the 2xy goes out, 1 plus 2xy. So that's our respect to y. With respect to x, it's just that, which is yx e to the 2xy. Correct?
Yeah.
So we are given that, and at point this. So we have the gradient, which is equal to here it says 0, comma. Here it's not quite 0. Here it's 0 times a, so it's 1. 1 plus c, so it's just 1. So that's the gradient at this point. Lose yourself to dance. E 1 plus, yeah. So that's the gradient. What do you do after? What do you do when you find the gradient? Is this right, by the way?
The gradient.
Yeah.
Y keep the y right or 2y. 2yx. Yeah, that's correct.
What's next?
For the zx or for zy it is. Well, yeah. Yes, basically yes. Correct. Basically you'll get this, and each of them 2y x ey times x minus x0. For that one, times y minus y0. Get it?
Yeah.
So you x0 is this.
Yeah.
Y is this.
But that'll give us 0x, right?
Hello?
That'll give us 0x, right?
No idea, صراحة. I'm not even sure I understand.
0 times 0 minus x. I will get.
Let's check. Is there anybody in the stream for a second? Nobody here. I'm pretty sure it had something. Yeah, you do that, but then you multiply x minus x0, y minus y0. But what would you substitute in x? I forgot. بلا خلاص, you don't need to substitute in x. For sure, and let it give you 0x. But no, I don't think. Hi. And if we substitute 0 here, I see your. No, I don't see your point.
4 times? What is
2.
that?
It's 2 times y, where y
It's
is.
4.
Hello?
4. There is a 4.
Don't calculate this just yet. Let's
Okay.
not calculate it just yet. Let's just put them in. وبعديها ويل هاي 2y e to xy times x minus x0. The problem is I think you also need a fz لأنه
How?
Would that not work then? Shish. والله can be asked يا أخي.
Equation to it. Can you erase like? Can you erase like the thing you had on top? Like erase your annotations on the.
No, then give it to ChatGPT.
Yeah.
That's good.
Clear.
Okay.
عادي. We can just give it here, but tired. Oh, we are beyond cooked. You and me both. Upload picture. Okay. I'll solve it. Come on, stream will have your roster.
The DNA of her past partners don't disappear inside of her. Oh yeah, that is true.
Okay. So we do z minus z0. Okay. And then f of x minus z. Okay. Where did I go wrong?
That عندك.
Wait, y squared? Yeah, it's y squared. We're idiots. Otherwise, yeah, it's fine.
For which one?
It's y squared, yeah, me.
For which one?
ZZ.
ZZ is y squared?
2y squared. Actually, there's already a y.
I don't get it.
I mean, there's already a y, so when we differentiate it, it becomes y squared.
DZ equals y squared. Okay, I get your point. Oh, والله
Yeah, stupid. No, yeah, that would make sense now because now there'll be.
What's ZZ? That's ZX.
Huh?
What's ZZ?
It's nothing. We just put z minus z0.
Times what?
Nothing.
We don't need f of z.
I don't think so. Partial derivative, yeah, he doesn't add it either.
Can I see? Thank you.
No worries. So z minus 2 is equal to 8x. Plus.
This guy sucks.
Wow.
Oh, so how dumb of me. We could have just moved z to the other side.
Yeah.
ولا.
Wait.
But then it will be just -1. لا, it will be 0 equal -1.
Yeah, that's bullshit. Yeah. So z minus 2 is equal to 8x plus 2y minus 4. So this goes here. So z is equal to 8x plus 2y. Yeah, how the okay. File my show. What the fuck is happening here? 0, 2, okay. Two xy, 1 plus 2xy. Okay. That gives us 1, correct? 1. Okay. 1 into y minus 2. So y minus 2. So that just gives us this. Okay, correct. Yeah, it's arithmetic. Stupid. Dumb. This is like one of the bullshit questions. Do you want to do this? Do you want to do this?
To be fair, they're the same value. You know what?
They're not the same value.
بلا.
Because
x, y, z equals يعني f طبعا equals f, z, y, x. You could put them in any order.
as long as they're continuous, which yeah, sure. But are they the same?
Yeah.
Oh, they are reordered. Okay. But معلش.
Else we close it, so then you could do whatever you want. يلا.
But yeah, okay, yeah. First.
يلا do it. What do you even want to do it really?
No, I don't fucking want to do
خلاص,
it.
علي بعد.
Even like for one, I'll see what I'll do about these questions.
If you want to fix the thing, being very laggy. Just
Yeah.
turn off drawing when you're swimming.
Ah, okay. That's what I was doing before. Okay. I mean, here it's going to, so we have dx, which is 0.2. We have dy, which is equal to negative 0.1. And then we just, I mean, yeah. The change is approximately what? Dx over. Oh, I'm tired. I'm already tired.
Same wallah. I hate math for some reason.
2x, huh?
I hate math for this reason. It makes you super tired within like 10 minutes with that.
Yeah, I'm done, man. Done. Okay. So we have 2 times 0.2 plus 2 times 0.1, which is equal to 0.4 plus 0.2, which is wait, this is negative, so this is negative here, so 0.2. Okay, yeah, that was easy. So do you know how to do this?
Oh, yeah.
Dx, dy, multiply,
Hmm.
like multiply with the derivative,
Yeah, of course.
right? Okay.
Yalla, your favorite limits.
Fuck limits, yeah, me. I don't even care about this. Just fuck limits. Anyway, we just take the derivative with respect to x, with respect to y. Yeah, sure. So that gives us 9x squared plus 4x, and we have just 1 over 1 over 4y. What's my mom called?
Falto is correct?
Eh?
Falto?
My dad. Sorry, my mom.
Falto ولا عمو؟
Huh?
فالتو ولا عمو؟
عمو. عمي.
عمك.
عمي. वालेकुम सलाम. बस मैं ठीक हूँ. आप ठीक हो? पढ़ रहा हूँ. कल. हाँ. हाँ? क्या मतलब? शाम को ऑब्वियसली. कितने बजे? 7 आई थिंक 7 बजे.
सलाطة؟
हाँ. मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. हाँ? अभी के लिए हाँ. बस बाकी चीजें भी है करने के लायक. Yo, do you know how to do this? 2 part method.
صح, just a part. I really need to study. I'm fucked.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Yeah. हाँ, क्या बोले थे आप? हाँ, हम एक साथ पढ़ रहे हैं. Yeah, हम सॉल्व कर रहे थे पेपर.
Talking at it.
हाँ, मैं ठीक हूँ.
It's going well.
हाँ, सब ठीक. Yeah. नहीं. हमें अभी और एग्जाम में बहुत सारे. अभी 3rd वेव खत्म हो गई है एग्जामों की. Yeah. सब ठीक. हाँ? ना. Yes. Okay. Inshallah. Okay. Okay, what do we have here? So this is 4x to y, okay, and then we just multiply this by x, this by y, sorry, by y. Wait, what the fuck? We add them. Oh, wait, what? Do we just cancel this out? Because it doesn't matter. I hope that you get me. Say, lose yourself to do. Why is this not 4? I don't get it.
ايش؟
Why is this not 4? So wait.
Why did you even substitute? No idea. dz over dx would be okay. dz over dx would be partial differential for x, which is يا عم I fucking hate this بسم بالله. It's صح, it will be 1 over the whole thing times the
I tried that. It wouldn't make sense to us.
والله?
Yeah.
والله?
But because that is just like that's just regular. That's not partial derivative, right?
That's but you consider y as a constant. فخلاص you don't take it for y.
Oh, fuck, my stomach's aching as hell. Holy shit. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, look at that.
It makes sense.
How?
يلا بسم الله يا رب يعني على هذا الأهل. If
Because we can just multiply them, right? We can just use wait, well, we can't shit. Yeah, what do we do?
dz over dx. dz over dx is basically over يعني we'll start with the high over 2x squared plus y squared
Oh, 4x
times 4x. So times x لأنه here it has done x for 4x squared plus also 2x squared y squared
yeah, that'll be 2y squared.
over بس هون حيكون 2y صح؟
صح.
It's basically 4x squared
Yeah.
plus
oh, brilliant.
2 ولأنه we multiply it plus 2y squared over 2x squared plus y. Well, that's literally 2.
Y squared, yeah. Wait, but still.
But times this by 2.
And then
That'll be 4x squared plus 2y. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a squared over here.
Yeah,
that's 2 over 1.
Yeah, can you continue?
Sure.
You have work.
I do have work, but I will do the next question.
Yeah.
The maximum value of the Ya Allah. Maximum value of directional derivative is basically given by the magnitude of the gradient in that point. On that point. But the gradient over here would be fx will be Ya Allah square root of 5. To be square root of 5 and 2y minus
plus
1 over the square root of 2. 1 over 2 square root of 5.
Yeah.
Fucking hate that shit. Miss me with that shit. 1 over square root of 5 صح؟
Negative?
لا no negative لأنه this
yeah,
positive.
صح.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On فبلس فماينس فس square root of y what else 2y minus x over 2 square root of y, right? صح?
Yeah.
But now we substitute square root of 1 is 1. This would be 1 minus 0 over for 1 minus 2 minus 0, which is 2. صح?
Squared 5.
Square root of 2 squared plus 1 squared square root of 5. والله I've got it. عمي خلص A plus in this.
It's actually not that bad.
والله it generally is bad just for the part which is 11, the 11 chapter 11 part, the hyperbolites and shit.
Oh yeah.
Well, the rest of it is easy. And equation. Okay, I'm sorry. Wallahi, I'm sorry.
I take that.
Oh, I take it back. What the fuck is a level surface?
I forgot what level surface.
Same.
I think what we do here. The level surface.
What's a level surface?
I think it's like if we have a curve and at a
so-
point there's just like a flat plane, I guess. I'm not sure.
You're right. I just remembered that
Ah.
Siri explained it to me once.
That's not what I forgot. This is the first step. Level surface. It's not.
Clustering methods. Who's been using my computer? Also, this was when I was explaining IC.
Lower explosive limit. Go three.
MCAC. Okay. صح. XYZ equals K. I forgot. It's basically what you said.
Yeah.
Well, I
So it
forgot.
triggered my like head, like right there. Uh,
How to find? Here. Find an equation for the level curve that passes. حلو. Find the C value by plugging in the points. حلو. خلاص حرفين. And literally just plug in the point.
and then is that simple? لا عادي. Keep it.
Sure. But just remove the C. Just remove the C.
No, we keep it there as well.
Sure.
We have to find C.
صح.
So that's just
Double.
4 plus 4 minus 9 is equal to C, which is C is equal to -1. So 4x squared plus 4y squared minus z squared is equal to -1. So z squared is equal to what the fuck? It's actually not bad. This is not that bad.
It's easy.
Look, it's simple. Substitute -1. Oh yeah, that's it. If AB is the okay line of intersection, then ABC is equal to what? Line 1 is that. Oh, what? That's bullshit. I don't want to do this.
ايش؟
I don't want to do
You
this.
don't get to choose حبيبي.
How do we do this again? I forgot.
Allah, for every time you forgot I had half a real, you do that.
Do we just substitute like t is equal to x minus 1 over 2? Well, s is
Point for intersection. Basically, yes. 8
Yeah.
minus 3x equals 1 plus 2t. -8 plus 4s equals 1 minus 3t. But then he solve one of them. Depending on that answer, you'll solve the rest.
huh. Okay, 8 minus x. So I guess we just cross pollinate. Well,
Cross-pollinate.
yes.
What is cross-pollination?
I'll cross pollinate you, yeah. Really.
عيب.
Yeah, what's the next step? I found t with respect to.
What the? Why do I care less about this shit? Basically, we know that x equals x.
Yeah.
صح? For this point. 1 plus 2t equals 8 minus 3, yes. Do you want to go on from here or should I go
Yeah,
on?
sure. Okay, I guess that's simple. 1 minus 3t is equal to 4s minus 8. Now I guess we just do this, yeah. 2t plus 3s. You sent me back to 002 now, honestly. This is the ugliest thing I've ever seen.
Very fair ask, wallahi.
Fuck this, man.
Fuck.
Okay, -3, that's what I see. Right?
صح.
Okay. -3t is equal to 4s. And then we just subtract from both sides, -9. Okay. And we just put that in here. So 1 plus 2t is equal to 8 plus 4s minus 9, which just gives us, wait, what? Oh, that's bullshit. Okay. Okay, I'm so bad at what? I'm so bad at solving
Linear
this.
equations?
Yeah, I actually have to go back to 02. لا عادي بس is there no simple substitution? I guess there's this. So 1 minus 3t plus 8 over 2. So that's that. So negative 3t plus 9 over 2. Okay. We just substitute that there. Wait, this is equal to what?
مين والله.
Wait, no, we don't need to do that. We don't need to divide it by. Wait, do we? Yeah, we do. We do. So tired.
I mean, you're just crying. استعجل.
Yeah. Should lock in. Okay. One.
Do you get the base for agents ads?
Yeah. I know. Yeah.
كنت صح أنا بس إنه this is dumb. F is -1.
Yeah, my brain is fried right now. But that's the point, right? We just solved the linear equation, but that's it. Huh?
I think so, yes.
Yeah, I think my meds are wearing off. I have like insane level of brain fog right now. Well, okay. So we have this is an equation for the plane passing through the points this, and it's perpendicular to this. Can you solve?
Sure, 1 second.
Yeah.
I might actually need to look in for this one submissions in 2 hours. بس إنه after I'm done sure يعني we'll.
How long will this take?
This will math. This will probably take like يعني إن شاء الله not more than 20 minutes يعني.
Tamam.
لأنه there's a lot of debugging I have to do. Keep finding bugs my mistake. Oh, I'm quite efficient. طيب بسم الله. If ax plus by plus cz. Oh, cz, Bitcoin, Binance. Do you know cz? The CEO, ex-CEO of Binance, the leading cryptocurrency market.
CC.
It will be defined by 0, 1, 0. صح؟ صح؟ والله crazy غير.
Then a plus b plus c is equal to what?
To the right.
Okay.
Okay.
To the point.
تمام.
Okay, it's an equation of a plane.
But that's a line. At least.
Wait, how? What?
That's a vector.
Wait.
That's a vector.
Wait.
Oh, we got a vector. اصبر. 4, that's.
But how is that possible?
4, 2, 0, 2, that's -2. تمام? That's my vector.
صح.
That's
we have to find the perpendicular to this.
No.
Can we just like negative?
By Allah, I don't know what I'm doing.
Negative reciprocal. 002 ولا.
So بس يعني that'll be -1, 0, -1.
Wait,
Negative reciprocal.
Of what?
Of this.
No, of the thing you just got. -2 to 4.
لا, this is the equation. We're perpendicular to this, to the xz plane.
Wait, how's that?
How's the xz plane defined? اصبر, let's think about it. أيهم الy وأيهم الx. I'd say this is the z. xz would be this plane, صح? Yes, this plane.
Yeah.
It's perpendicular to this plane.
X,
but it's defined in.
So zy.
Yes, you could say so.
Oh, yx or y? Yeah, it's everything except for xz. صح?
Yeah.
No, but like.
اصبر. It's just this. This is the only thing perpendicular to this plane. ولا? To be something like this, else it's not perpendicular. فمعناها it's something it should be in the zy plane. ولا?
Yeah, it should be.
لا مو
like
zy.
This.
It's this. Whatever this is.
Yeah, which is yz.
It's just the y plane. This is.
No, you can't have
اسمع.
y plane.
This is xz. صح? This is z x. This is
this
YZ.
is Z. This is Z. شوف, this is Z. This is X. This
I
is
can't.
Y. تمام.
اصبر رد علي. Let's draw this again. تمام. Where this is X, this is لا, this is X, this is Y, this is Z. تمام.
Yeah.
XZ plane is this one, صح? XZ.
Yeah.
This is the XY plane.
So YZ plane is perpendicular.
YZ plane. لا, the YZ plane is not.
Look. شوف. Look.
بلا, I see it.
Look,
the
look.
XY plane is also perpendicular.
No, look. This is Z, X, Y. تمام.
Yeah, okay.
This is the plane.
Yeah,
So what is the plane that is perpendicular to this?
this one, which is the XY plane, then it go under it. So,
صح? Yeah, it's XY.
so what we do is, wallah, effective, very effective studying.
It's fine. If it works, it works.
Exactly. Why?
I love how the first ad is like they have to waste ad space to just put their like.
I don't think they even need ads. يعني. It's not that much people using شو اسمه كيمي ولا كوين ولا whatever the fuck. Hey, شوف, is there anybody in this stream? الحمد لله ما عندي math. الله يوفقك. مشكور حبيبي مازن.
Who's that?
Mazen, the guy that was with us in the ICS 108 lab, or ICS 104 lab, or ICS
Is this the astrology, astronomy guy?
لا, that's Mazen Jazairi. This is Mazen Madkhali. Oh, we're right. We could have used 010. هناك.
Okay, wait, what?
Yes, عمي, a line on the y-axis is perpendicular to the xz
Yeah,
plane.
but we're looking at a plane.
حرفيا, I said this.
Yeah, you said this, but it's like.
Fuck you. No.
Wait.
Yeah, makes absolute sense. Makes
Wait, go up,
absolute
go up.
sense.
That makes no sense to me. Go up.
Wallah.
That's it. Yeah.
Does it actually make no sense?
Yeah. Wait, what? Okay, so B is equal to 0. So the plane is equal to A plus. Oh, okay. So, yeah, it's the. Wait, no, it does not make sense anymore.
عمي, شوف. A dot C equals B, what he needs to equal 0, صح?
Yeah.
For it to be perpendicular. صح ولا لا?
So the B component must be 0.
هلا?
The B must be 0.
Yes, basically. فإتس AX plus ZZ equals 8. ولأنه we have these 2 points. ليش؟ I told you. لأنه عمي.
This is the thing we just found, right?
Let's go back to this plane, تمام? To this drawing. Where this is Y. عمي, this drawing is super. أيوة.
If it's perpendicular.
ماشي؟ خلاص. This is X, this is Z, this is Y, تمام?
Yeah.
A Y line which is consistent of 0, 1, 0, صح? Is perpendicular to this, صح? لا. This is perpendicular. For A,
so this is parallel.
B, C is perpendicular to شو?
No, it's parallel to Y.
It's perpendicular to this, فإتس parallel to Y basically, yes.
That's what I said.
بس إيش؟ لا, that's wrong. 010 actually represents no idea.
Go to.
010 is perpendicular. صح, it's the normal vector. 010 is the normal vector of the xz plane. تمام. فخلص, to make sure they're perpendicular, what we will do is dot product them, which it must equal 0, صح?
Okay.
The ABC.
So the perpendicular must be equal to 0. But that makes no sense because it is the perpendicular.
لا يا خال. اسمع. شوف. Again.
You know those like comments, beta or low IQ?
And IQ so high, yeah?
Yeah. No, there's like beta or low IQ.
Sure.
Yeah.
This.
Go with the physical example. This is easier.
What physical?
Z.
But ما look at this to imagine this as a physical example.
Sure.
ماشي. This is the Z axis. This is the X axis. This is the Y axis.
Yes.
تمام?
Yeah.
What is the what do you call normalized? What is the unit normal vector
Y.
of the it'll be this, which is Y, صح?
Yeah.
صح. تمام. Our line is actually perpendicular to this.
Yeah.
Or plane. ف A B
C
C
should be
perpendicular to 0 1
it should
0.
be parallel to this.
لا, it should be perpendicular. This unit vector represents XZ plane. صح؟ The direction of the XZ plane is represented by the unit vector ولا؟ Okay.
Yeah, because the direction is the normal.
Yes. ف 0 1 0.
Yeah.
ف B equals 0. Because you know B equals 0 خلاص we know AX plus CZ equals 8.
Yep.
صح؟ تمام. Now I have no idea.
Let's go back.
لا, now we sum this from this. Trust me on this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, it goes through the points. Wait, can we not just like solve it then?
We could technically, yes.
صح?
فيعني
Is that
خلاص.
what we do?
X equals 8 minus CZ over A. و Z equals. لا, we need this vector. And this vector falls within this plane. تمام?
So it's parallel to this.
مش بالضرورة. لا, this falls within this. I don't know what's the definition.
لا اسمع, if these 2 points lie within that plane, then the vector should
They're
lie
actually
on that plane.
perpendicular to this. But 4, اسمع, 4, 2, negative 2 should actually be perpendicular to ABACZ. ولأنه we know B is 0, so we could do A0C. this will be this is a 4 صح؟
4A.
Is this a 4?
Yes.
يا على خطي. Wait. لا, غلط. اسمع. فخلاص. A0C should be perpendicular to
-2.
4 minus yeah, sure. Negative 2.
-1.
2 لا 2. 3 minus 1.
So 1 is a 4. Okay.
3 minus 1 is 2 و 4.
Yeah.
صح؟ معناها negative
2A plus 4C
plus 4C
is equal to 0.
is equal to 0.
So
4C equals to A.
So C,
معناها A equals to C.
Yeah.
Okay. What do we
is
do?
A? Wait, no, A is -2. Oh, no, wait, no, it's not. It's stupid.
A equals to C. تمام؟ خلاص.
Yeah.
Keep this thought now. A equals to C.
This is 3A.
اسمع, بس do you know what we
So
can
this
do?
is 3A.
For sure we know that 3 is wrong. ليش؟ لأنه it should be a multiple of 2 the answer. The answer is
Wait, لا, because it's
لا.
3A, صح?
لا.
It's 3A. عشان B is not there.
Yeah.
This is, wait.
صح. It's 3. It should be a multiple of 3.
Yeah.
But this is wrong. This is wrong. 3 is still
Unless
والله
it's not integer.
والله.
Unless it's not an integer. That would be like the biggest rage bait of all time.
والله.
Bait or low IQ?
اسمع, ask ChatGPT.
We already asked.
We are on the right track.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, this one.
Okay, I know.
Yeah. Okay, what do we have?
Okay, AX plus
C is equal to 2.
plus 8. معناها
How?
at point P at point Q.
Wait, 0? Wait, how?
That's why they يعني the answer depends on the question. فاهم? Can you solve it using
Without the help of the zero cancellation.
بالضبط the vector PQ?
No, but even then you can just do it. It's just like, you know,
What is to ask this?
very clean method. Actually,
You're absolutely right.
yeah, that makes sense.
But
Cross product makes sense.
we could have also
That is bullshit. I'm not doing that. Go up. Show me the cross product.
very
So
basic.
This is PQ. Oh, that's insane.
Yeah, very basic. I was looking for this, but I could. I knew they should be perpendicular, so I
I
forgot
was
to
thinking-
actually.
That's why when you said like dot product, I was just like, no way.
Dot products make sure they're perpendicular, فاهم؟
That's
يعني-
cross product.
لا, if dot product, لا, the cross product results in a vector that's perpendicular to both.
Yeah. Ow.
So this would have found our normal vector, fam.
That's easier. Yeah, that's easier, yeah. Come, let's go back.
اصبر. لا, I don't genuinely believe this.
I believe
For some
it.
reason. ليش؟ صح. لا, why did it just take negatives?
Hey?
هيك شقلب ابوها يعني. He
Sure.
just multiplied by -1. Why did you?
Why is it? What do you mean?
Multiply me?
I don't get it. Why it did not multiply? What? Yummy is fine.
I want to understand. والله.
Where? Red -1.
Here. شوف. The result it came up with was -4, 0, -2. تمام?
صح. -4.
Yeah, but why multiply by -1 here?
So it's proportional to, I guess.
Yeah, surely.
I guess it's like one of multiple solutions. Well,
Mm,
no, but that would make sense. Great question.
yeah, why is that? لا, طب I know. Because yes, طيب.
It's exactly the same plane.
The equation would be okay. Top 5 الحين ChatGPT.
My streamer like. It's fine. I think it's because
It's basically يعني you need to use the
yeah.
cancellations. يلا fair. Man. خلاص يلا go on. Oh, I have to lock in.
You have to lock in. Come. What do we have here? Consider the unit vector with the given function. Which of the following is false? If it's differentiable, then it should be 0. Right? The limit should be 0. So let's do this really quickly. So we are checking the differentiability, and we're checking the. Oh my god, this is such a long question. Holy shit. Let's check with the differentiability first. Okay. With respect to x is 4y over 2x and 4x over 2y 2y and 2x and 2y. When we substitute 0 and 0, that is the 0 over 0. And no matter what we do, we can't solve it.
ليش؟ that dumb.
No, think y over x.
والله I'm joking. والله.
We can't like differentiate, صح?
No idea. ما مش مركز معك. You'll have to do this one.
1 over 1.
Ask ChatGPT.
I think it's not differentiable, so that's true. Is f differentiable? It's the same fucking question. What? Maybe it's because it's 1 over 1. GBT is a goat. يا we are cooked for this exam.
ممكن لأنه ما درسناش. Maybe if we actually open the slides,
لا,
maybe
that's,
we'd have a chance.
no, I don't think so actually. You know
I
why?
think so actually.
I feel like that's just slower. I feel like we have learned a lot.
لا, I did not learn shit.
Really?
Except for the surface level يعني level surface.
I feel like no, because you remember it.
And الحمد لله لا, لأنه I honestly focus in class.
Oh,
I
don't pay a single second of attention.
No, I do actually. لأنه our prof.
Okay, what do we have?
Give us any access to anything
Ah.
that take away your attention.
Did we just substitute it? Wait, I'm actually confused. What the fuck? Consider the unit vector. What's the unit vector doing? Huh?
What the dog doing? What's wrong? What's wrong?
Huh?
What's wrong?
I and J.
لا, I have no idea. Good luck.
Address me. Long 0 0. Is it because is it because it's 0 plus what? No, that makes no sense. Approach 0 0 along U. Is this like behind? Okay. So I don't think so actually. I don't think yeah. For G, continuity. Okay, let's check continuity first. Depending on the path. So y is equal to z. Okay, we use this one. Okay, so if y is equal to z, we get x squared, 4x squared over 4x squared. So that 4x squared over 2x squared, which gives us 2. And y is equal to 0 gives us 0 over.
Which has more transitions on average, Manchester or differential Manchester?
Real Madrid.
That's okay.
Damn me.
Oh wait, my screen is dead. Damn, I just noticed.
Dead?
تعال شوف it ate away the X.
Huh?
والله يعني this looks better صراحة بس still I do.
Aha.
أي شوف له.
Yikes. Now you're getting a new laptop.
I'm not getting a new laptop. I love this one. It's just the screen.
Yeah. But okay, you're just like.
I'm not getting a new screen. I'm not paying 1,000 riyals.
You can get it for cheaper than 1,000.
It's on AliExpress. It's 1,000 riyals.
No way.
There is no used.
No
Nobody-
way it's 1,000 real.
Check it.
No
Check it,
way.
check it. I thought it was 700 to 1,000.
What is this? Now, what do you do here? Why is along y is equal to 0? Why is it 0? Is it because we can just differentiate it?
Mm-mm.
And I'm tired. When are you gonna go up?
اسمع.
Let's take a break.
We did not start. We've been streaming for an hour. But I've been mostly doing MATLAB. أنت غشاش.
Yeah, just finish it and then we'll go back.
والله أنت غشاش.
والله.
Okay. صحيح I lost half of my screen. It looks way better than it used to. You're letting me not focus. لو سمحت, I need to focus. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. والله شو علي? I do that right. For nothing. حرفيا for nothing.
So here, the best thing is to lose the root. So modern day analysis has shown you should take, and actually, the next move that black can play is a little bit too weakening. Okay, so black played in this game with d5. And the point of d5 was that now the queen attacks this pawn. It's a very nice idea if you take the bishop. I take this, and I win back the bishop, which is extremely important. And then I'm going to win back a pawn, and then you will simply lose with d5. It's time's next.
أهلا وسهلا.
Looks like you have a nice position.
أيوة قيس.
White doesn't have anything better than to take with this pawn.
والله قاعد بحل بواجب الماتلاب. اكتشفت إنه في كم إدت لازم أسويه فقاعد بسويه.
Knight takes.
يس حياك.
Pawn takes e6. Bishop h5 check.
جيبها نزحها. اسمع قيس. لا ما تفضل. غرفتكم بارد بزيادة فعادي على عكس تنين ميتنج. بس اسمع لازم أطفي المكيف اللايف المايك تبع الستريم هون.
This next move is really the most incredible part of this entire combination. Bishop to g3. Tactically defending the bishop on g6. Because if the king were to take it, pawn to f5 would be a check, and the queen would be hanging. Bishop g3 is, unlike lower-rated players who play hope chess. If they take on g6, I play f5. No, bishop g3 is also the best move because it stops the queen from getting to that square, and f5 actually becomes a threat because without these two pawns, black is going to get absolutely obliterated in this position. So you cannot take the bishop. What do? Play knight to f6, and Dai plays rook e1, threatening the pawn on e6, then the pawn on d5, and then f5 is coming. He leaves the bishop hanging once again. Koblenz plays b4, which proves to be a very bad mistake if white plays the move f5 here. In this position, that played rook takes e6, sacrificing another horse. He has now sacrificed a queen and both of her stallions. Queen on f3 is gone, knight on e6 is gone, the knight on c3 can be absolutely taken. What makes all of this possible is the fact that in all of this, Dai always keeps his king safe. He always keeps the king safe. Always. Black doesn't have a way to attack the king. He can take the pawn, he can even go here, but the king's always safe. Black takes. Now we play the move we've been wanting to play all along, pawn to f5, attacking the queen. We already know.
How does AMI work?
Huh?
How does AMI work?
AMI?
Yes.
What's AMI?
Another encoding scheme.
No idea.
We have way too many encoding schemes in Spanish. Oh, hello. Okay. I get it.
Is a mistake. White can now win by either taking this pawn or pushing.
Let's just make sure AMI works.
Black decides, I'm going to push. Now white's idea is bishop to e5. And after that, white will simply be winning the game because the king is completely, totally stuck. Maybe you got to run away. Maybe that's the best move. Black goes queen d7. The threat is queen e6, takes king g6. What is Dai going to do? Well, obviously, what he's going to do in every single game that he plays, he's going to sacrifice both of those pieces. He gives up both of them. Bishop e5. Bishop e5 looks like a beginner's mistake. It looks like you brought in these pieces to attack f6, and you simply forgot that the queen could take. Pawn takes c6, you're losing the bishop. Yes, but I saw one. The idea of rook f1 is the knight is hanging. You can't move the knight. Because if you move the knight, I take the rook. For example, if you, and you can't defend it because I take the rook like that. So let's say if you move the knight here, the idea is very simple for white to win. Bishop takes, rook f8. The pawn shields the rook, and white promotes and wins. Well, that seems pretty straightforward, right? You just need the rook to get to f8. The game is over. No. What?
Osman jumping.
It's not over. I can't take and go rook f8 anymore. And why is it plus 5?
Do you want my submission, يعني?
That doesn't make sense. The knight is covering the promotion square. The whole idea was to go here. That's because
والسيد did not send it to you يعني?
brings his
Or is he asking for permission?
where 2 plus 2 is 5. And
شوف
the
guys,
compound is only good
you know how much exactly اسمع if you yes
entire thing that you were trying to prevent.
طب I have an idea خدها وبس غير ترتيب الأشياء فاهم in a way that does not kill شو اسمه the thing in terms of wiring يعني
Take the root with the
ولا you can be asked
needs to do is just have one pawn remaining. He plays e7. King
يعني you
f7.
won't submit check
He takes the knight. He simply plays
لا but شنو بكتب والله ماني عارف do we أصلا need to submit
to d1. And in this position, son, some of you watching this go, wait a minute, what about the move to
صح
d5? You're completely
صح one zero ولا أنا عندي 3 تقريبا ما عليك أنت المهم هسه أنت خلاص مع السلامة at everyone we count a transition بس إيش الفكرة؟ كيف أبين له إني قاعد بوقع من واحد مش عارف لبس this shit اسمع تخيل تضبط هاي تخيل تضبط قلت لك يعني هلا يا محمود وعليكم السلام كيف الحال؟ وش بس عندي مشكلة بسيطة بالكود عندي I'm almost done with counting transitions ويعني I've done everything except for the counting transitions part which I'm almost done with الفكرة بس إنه I just noticed إنه when I actually graph the encoding في مشكلة بسيطة اللي هي إنه أول transition اللي لأنه we assume a preceding شغلة صح does not draw that I generally don't have the mind capacity to think of it can you find a solution?
What do you mean it doesn't draw the first transition?
باختصار the way I'm plotting it سرقتها من optional the recording they sent إنه I take time frames I put a time series and then I plot every time series to يعني every time series is made of n sample frames however my sample frequency is
Fuck is whole saying.
when you read the code you'll understand باختصار I can't present the first literal يعني preceding bit فاهم كيف؟ I don't know يعني do you think he'll actually mind it إنه يعني تعرف كيف مرات بالرسمة بتبلش بإنك تنزل لتحت أو تطلع لفوق؟ إنه في solution جربته ما زبط معي I continue to have.
A solution that I don't like the idea of is when you're going to like draw the thing,
like just for the drawing, like not for calculus.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Double X L so that like it has 2 of every bit, and then like add the first transition as the like half bit.
I wanted to do that. I wanted to do that. الفكرة بس إنه اللهم صل وسلم على سيدنا محمد. صراحة that'll take way more than 2 minutes يعني I need to send this to you يعني. فاسمع خلص I do my shit و you check it out, check the code. إذا بتحس حالك تلحق تسويها سويها، إذا ما لحقت خلص عادي يعني. بنوضح له الفكرة بالانترفيو ولا شيء زي هيك. أنا بالفكرة بس إنه ما نضحيش بفكرة البي دي اف لأنه على أكيد حيحط عليه علامات محترمة. ولازم في example. Yes. A PDF with examples to everything, فاهم؟ Yeah.
Like the example where it says like run everything in the slides.
سوري محمود. يلا بالتوفيق.
مع السلامة.
مع السلامة. Hello Beth. I'm working on my شو اسمه. طولت.
Hmm?
طولت.
Are you done?
لا.
So not the one.
إيه.
It became long.
أطلت quality time. لا طولت is you make longer.
Huh, yeah. You called
طول.
طويل, long, you long. I long for physical touch. Fair enough. What are we doing now?
This.
But how long
No idea.
until you're done?
No idea. والله no idea.
Is the same exact drug, the same molecule, but at two completely different price points. How did that happen? So last month, the patent on semaglutide, which is the actual drug itself, so the expired in India. And within a few days, half a dozen drug makers started selling their own versions. And the price just collapsed. What's really interesting is that when all these generics hit the market, Novo Nordisk, which is the company that makes something, slashed its prices from over $100 to about 60. They're still not as cheap as the $14 price point, but it's still a significant drop. Getting the Ozempic down to this $14 price point, going to be a huge deal. And not for weight loss, not work against diabetes. They reduce the risk of heart attacks in India, where there are about 100 million diabetics, it's going to be a huge thing. But it could also be transformative in the rest of the country. There are about 150 countries where the drug was never patented, and those countries are going to more than 2/3 of those diabetics. Semaglutide, the drug was never. Countries are going to more than 2/3 of the world diabetic.
Huh, interesting. So is semaglutide like cheaper in Saudi?
Air. No ultra microscopic silica volcanic gases. Air. 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 Air.
خلاص. صح. very fair.
False. You're wrong. It's like being covered in Saudi sands. This is what this says. You find a ground for wind erosion to be used in construction. Saudi Arabia has been rivers. That's true. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, a liter of water costs more than petrol in Saudi Arabia. That's crazy.
غلط. That used to be true.
Yeah.
True. That is true. A liter of potable water is more expensive than a liter of oil in Saudi.
Portable water.
Portable?
Portable.
Portable? What's portable water يعني?
Any bottle of water.
There's a lot of portable water over here.
1 liter is how much?
A liter? يعني this is 1.5 liters for 2 ريالز. Oh wait.
No, it's not that. It was like. It
لا
used to
لا
be.
اسمع. 2 liters of water, 3 liters of water, that's 4 riyals. And if they're counting this as center.
Yeah.
Oh, no, wait. 3 liters of water, that'll be 6
But
of
still.
oil would be 6 riyals of gas.
That is
But it used to be. Gas used to be at 1 riyal.
Yeah.
Water used to be at 2 riyals.
Yeah. It's insane.
Who is this guy? He's gotta be G of the week.
What's this?
Can you see?
He just like superimposed that. I'm going to make an edit probably. Or something that someone said.
Hello, Hamoud. I think so. I'm just checking for any final mistakes يعني. Inshallah none. بس إنه just in case فاهم. صح. I've been thinking about it يعني. No, give me a second please. ابشر. Don't worry about it. الفكرة بس اسمع. One more question before you leave. Where do I actually يعني is it okay if I put the amount of transitions per bit in the title of the graph? I have no idea where to put them. خلاص تمام thank you. يلا مع السلامة.
Okay.
محمود كم تكلمي يا أخي حقه صراحة.
Just the following is false.
Wait for a second. اسمع. ألف خالص.
Elliptical cone, one is negative. Elliptical paraboloid. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Them, we're done.
والله خلاص.
Yeah, we're done with this paper.
fair. Okay, sure. Is a cylinder as if there are any cylinders in this course?
I think I saw it once.
There are, to be fair, yes.
There is this like.
ليش؟ Is the zero? صح.
So extreme Levi Rossman.
Fair. This makes absolute sense. I fucking love myself.
I love you. I'm so fucking tired. Holy shit.
Same, always.
What is this?
AMI, stupid encoding.
What course is this?
Theory 241.
You have code?
Yes, they subscribed to Math Lab for this. Math Lab. It's actually Math Lab. I don't care what anybody says.
Yeah, I'm coding. Why don't you use GPT again?
After, I don't know صراحة I don't know.
والله اسمع.
لا, don't think about it.
Isma, you are gonna learn the concepts for the exam anyway. This is how I think about it, right?
Sure.
I'm gonna learn it anyway.
Yeah.
So why waste time?
I totally believe you, yeah.
Sorry. يلا يلا.
عمي shut the fuck up.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm gonna talk again because you are mean to me. Is this still on the record?
Please don't snap. You can Oh, who's this? It's Abu Kabi. Hi, Abu Kabi. يا لو غلا وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله من عنك. الحمد لله شكرا. جالس ذاك. والله تو ما وصلت. ابشر. بعث لي سؤالك على الواتس عشان لو فهمت ابعث لك مباشرة. حتى أنا صراحة. ابشر. بإذن الله تعالى ما تكسر. Wait, how does bipolar AMI work? اصبر. لا يا ولد. How does BATS work? Based on what? B8ZS. هذا غلط، هذا كفر وزندقة. يا ربي يا ربي يا ربي، الحمد لله لحقت حي. not maintaining shit for zero.
Not bad.
يا ماما.
How are you?
MATH201 went well.
والله how much do you think you got?
I think I aced, but like المشكلة في سؤال
وحش.
ما قدرت اطلع اجابته. طلع اجابته -1, and like none of the options even have -1. either السؤال نفسه غلط or like I'm missing something slight. بس I picked the closest answer and I think it's right.
إن شاء الله إن شاء الله.
ان شاء الله خير. اه 2.3 نزل.
كم؟
27.
Oh, because جبتها أنا من هنا واحد.
لا حرام عليك. Okay, what was the last few exams? 301.
I don't know.
Well, we don't know actually. So I did 7 gives. 292. Okay, obviously. Yeah, I think that's all the courses we share.
لا we share every single course تقريبا.
253, 292, 301 بس.
صح. اوكي صح اذا شفت. تمام.
201 صراحة يا حبيبي that big L of yours counts for a lot of things. تعوض. بداية الكويز تعوض جد تعوض.
بسم الله. طب الترانزيشن هون حتكون ترانزيشن كم ترانزيشن عندي؟ ما عندي. اوه لوين
تسليم midnight.
3 4 5 6 7 8. لا ركز. 1 2 3 4 5 5 تمام. 5 5 5 5 1 2 3 4 5 حتكون 6. حلو. transitions yes transitions. حلو 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 حلو. كويس. I'm missing a net.
When was this? 251. Oh, it's my exam.
والله very easy يا أخي.
Major 2? Oh, it's easy.
والله.
Major 2 is like average like 80. اللي شكل في سؤالين غلط.
صح.
أو سؤال ناس صراحة. بس المهم حتى السؤال ما كان غلط it's still piss easy. It is parallel to
I have an infinite while loop.
أصلا.
والله حيضربني محمود والله.
عانيت بذاك الأسايمنت ترى.
خليته لحالك مش جي بي تي انت؟
لا جبته كله بعدين جي بي تي like fucked a lot of things فرجعت حاولت أصححه آخر ساعتين قبل التسليم. ولايك صححته وبعدين أشرف لسه دقق على موضوع ما له داعي. بعدين حمزة used some talking powers to like let him bump us up شوي. Because it was like end of sem. This is easy.
أنا عليهم كسرت أخصي.
Okay.
خلاص never mind.
Fine. Implicit differentiation. Negative FY over Z.
ألو. كيفك محمود؟ اسمع محمود. basically اكتشفت إنه عندي مشكلة بسيطة ب8CS بدي ألحق أحلها. فاللي حسويها هسه عشان نختصر وقت. عسري حبعت لك الكود شغال على الأكيد including اللي فيه. نعم؟ عندك مشكلة إيه؟ مشكلة B8ZS اللي هو السكرامبلينج سكيم.
Yeah, sure. Just send me the ship and I'll like handle it.
خلاص؟
Just send me everything.
ابشر. بس sure. ابشر. خلاص عاد let me just back off to the point where it have no mistakes. أيوة. خلاص هيك حلو. خلاص اشتغل. We have that I have to remove it.
Why are you not solving?
Huh?
Why are you not doing anything?
We finished this best I can. This guy has the fucking bullshit assignment.
I'm actually continue. Good work. Why are you just here?
Just yeah, I don't know. I'm just tired as hell.
Work now.
Huh?
Work now.
Home? I was hoping that he'll just finish soon and then we'll just continue.
We'll go to no
This
stand.
was
I'm
how
there
long ago
خلاص.
was starting to work on this?
Maybe 30 minutes ish.
It's not that long. 4-3, 201.
Yeah.
I don't think you could do this, bro. All right, do
Hard?
Do this one.
Is it hard or I'm just tired?
Oh no, you're tired. That's what.
Oh, okay.
No, I think 2-4-3 is pretty easy.
Line through the point and perpendicular to the plane is also passes through a. I'm actually tired as fuck. Perpendicular to the plane given by A, so we have -1, 2, 1.
Basically,
And then we can just do perpendicular
I
to
sent
the
it on Teams. I sent it on Teams.
perpendicular to the plane given by this. So do we just like cross product it?
Basically compressions لسه ما بعد فيهم
Line passing through this.
Well, I think there's a mistake.
So this is the normal vector,
Yes.
right? This is the normal vector to
I
this.
still don't print the transitions per bit.
The line is going through this point and is
Let's
perpendicular to
account the
the
transitions for everything.
And the norm is
except for
perpendicular.
these.
Yeah.
So it's in the direction of the norm. So it's like yeah.
So this minus this, right?
And that's string.
Yeah.
Wait, what is ABC? Oh, okay. The point. Okay. -3 -4 is +1. A -5. B -2.
It's amazing how much I forgot about this course.
It's a bullshit course, Hammy. Here's the thing.
Yeah.
How much do you realistically remember from anything?
يعني والله 301 202 I remember a lot. And I was able to teach 202 to Ghalini.
Yeah, because that's major courses. We should remember that.
Sure.
But say, at the same point, if I told you right now to make like, what is it called again? The shift register.
The barrel shifter?
Or barrel shifter is whatever. Can you just make the universal shift register? You could. That's like, how much do you actually remember? Not much. You would just probably just search it up. Anyway, yeah, whatever. So this is the vector. So do we just like cross product this? No. We don't cross product this. Or do we? So this is the normal vector.
Yes.
This is the vector between these 2 points.
Mm-hmm.
What was it that we did again with these? Do we dot product them and then set it to 0?
I don't remember all of it. I gotta think.
Did we? I don't remember. -1 times 1.
Oh, wait, I think I got it. Wait, is that answer 4?
Yes.
Because like these two lines are in the same direction, right?
Yeah.
So like this is just like it's just more.
Dot product is 0, right?
No, I was thinking more like because.
Oh,
it's
you
possible,
just,
like
you just
negative.
mean, huh?
Yeah. Like this is just the negative of this because these two
Okay.
are supposed to be like constant multiple of each other.
Yeah, sure. That is
And then you
fair.
can just set these two equal.
Yeah, okay. That's, yeah.
See, I still got it.
Yeah, still got it. Is equal to, 3. And B is equal to.
Of traditional arts with.
I must confess. Okay, contains the points.
كل شيء استخدم الله يحرقكم استغفر الله.
The plane contains the points this and this, and it's perpendicular to the plane this. Okay, then A plus B plus C is equal to 1.
كمية.
What happened?
انت هتروح تيجي على الغرفة بعد ما نخلص anyway.
What happened?
مش بالضرورة وماذا حنخلص؟
هتيجي على الغرفة بعد ما نخلص.
ماشي شو.
1.
Seriously, خلص اللي كانت take up too much desk space. Also, how much chat are we realistically eating? Even if I did get the whole plate, it's a big ass plate.
شفته. I'm eating 2. Usman's eating 1.
I don't think he's eating one.
What?
كنافة.
Do you like knaff?
Cream. You guys will kill me if I say about that cream, yeah. I like it.
كنافة قش يعني ولا؟
Huh?
كنافة?
Like,
You know what knaff is, right?
huh?
You know what knaff is.
Yeah, the one with the
Yeah.
the beige with the
Sure, yeah,
Yeah.
you understand it. Yeah.
the cream one, yeah.
Okay, match.
There's the cream one, and then there's the cheese one
Yeah,
where you
yeah,
put
yeah,
the
yeah.
syrup on top. Yeah, I know about it.
You like the cream one?
Yeah,
I know you don't like كنافة.
yeah, that's what I was gonna. You guys will like kill me if I say it. It's like, yeah, cream. Actually, I feel like the
انا اكتشفت الكنافه اللي بقشطه الفصل الماضي.
لا
لا بالاردن في شيء اسمه كنافه قشطه.
sure لا
لما قلت رحت ابوي قلت له بابا شو رايك بالكنافه قشطه؟ قال لي شو هاي؟ قلت له كنافه بس بدك تجيب لي قشطه. قال لي مش كنافه.
I said, that's bad. You live long enough here, you hear of it at some point, يعني. I don't know.
You're right. You're right. I'm way too tired for this. Just my brain is not functioning right now.
Sure, if you can't solve, just go home and sleep. You're better off getting to sleep.
Yeah, no, it's not tomorrow morning. It's tomorrow afternoon. But
I know, but like you're better off getting to sleep.
right now,
If you can't even solve basic questions, I don't know how basic this is, right? If you can't solve questions, you need sleep.
decently basic.
You need sleep.
Yeah, contains the points this and this. So the vector, we find the vector between them.
Yeah.
2 minus 4.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Point contains this point and it's perpendicular to this. Oh, okay, so the norms.
So this is correct, right? The first step. Well.
A, B, C, 1, 2, -1.
Yeah, I'm not sure if that's correct.
Yeah, they're all product because like they're normal to each other, right? Like the norms are normal because planes are also perpendicular.
Yeah.
Therefore, their dot product should be 0.
This is first step is correct.
It should be.
And then those two, do we just what do we do for those? Those two are parallel, right?
Which ones?
Contains the points, the vector between the points and ABC.
The vector between the points and ABC.
What's the next step?
No, because like ABC is because like ABC is the norm, right?
Yeah.
Like these points are on the plane. For like whatever direction you do on the plane, right? It's gonna be normal to the norm.
Yeah.
So like that direction vector dot the norm should also be 0, and you could probably use those two equations to.
Yeah. That's what. Sorry, that's what I meant.
Yeah.
So ABC and the vector between them is also perpendicular.
Yeah.
Because they have the points on them.
Yes.
So they also. So we just do that, right?
And
let me just roughly tell you. I'm not like in the mood for doing arithmetic, but like let's just go through these questions, okay?
Sure.
Just really quickly. Distance between the point. This is the equation, right?
Yeah, like
What is it? D. You have the square root at the bottom with the distance formula.
Yeah, I know the one you're talking about.
Yeah, it's d2 minus d1 over the
This
thing.
is for symmetric equations.
But this is a parametric equation, right?
Yeah.
The distance between the point and the line given by this. I mean, we can just substitute it. Well, to each other.
No, there was a specific formula for like PQ.
Yeah.
PQ dot something.
Yeah, there's a specific formula for this. I'm pretty sure.
It was like, okay, so any point, any distance from any point to the point dotted with.
That should probably go.
Maybe.
What?
Are you still not done yet?
I think so.
You're done now. Now that I have to leave.
It's true, if he's not sleeping and can barely fucking string bars together, you should sleep.
Yeah.
It's
okay.
I don't want to go home alone. It's probably worse.
Go home alone? Like,
Eh?
what's gonna happen here, Eddie?
Nothing's gonna happen. I just like it's just boring as hell. It's a long way home.
It is a long way.
Yeah.
I just got here, I'm not walking back.
Yeah, fair enough. Should I get coffee? Is that
لا if you generally can't hide sleep.
I think sleep is better for you.
والله miss your class tomorrow, wake up early, start studying. Don't want to fuck with this exam. Trust. How many do you get on the first one? Less than 10?
No, it's not that bad. No.
10? Not that
Well,
bad.
I misbubbled one. It was supposed to be. Also, I think I should have gone 14, but So one question I didn't know how to solve. 3 questions were arithmetic mistakes. 1 I misbubbled. That's what it feels like to be me, yeah. Hey, you know what I'm saying? There was one question I didn't know how to do though. The rest, it was just like I forgot a negative sign somewhere. That happened in 2 questions.
Yeah.
So that was fun.
What can we do, Ad?
Yeah, this is why my neuroaverage is not staying here. Fuck that.
Good.
Yeah, see ya.
Bye.
Bye. Have fun.
تمام. we're printing transitions per bit. We make sure that logic's right. What else do we have to do?
Yes, sure. Fucking
Hello. We calculate transitions according to him. He's going to do this. I fix initial conditions. I think so. صح. I forgot. I think I did not. ايش؟ لما هاي أول مرة بعد ما ضيعت تلفوني أول ما جبت تلفوني. Please continue. ألو. تفضل. إيش؟ Yes. I needed it for the transition logic. But you deleted my transition logic فخلاص you don't need it anymore. Thank you. Please just I was writing this. Read the code, make sure the logic's right, calculate and print transitions and transitions per bit. ايش؟ Finally, the PDF document. Do you need help with that يعني ولا؟ Studying MATH201 major tomorrow. My majors today that was برايك ليش أكون building 9؟ I don't enjoy being in building 9 and why would I ask you to come over to building 9؟ انت اشتغل خلاص بعدين we start questioning assumptions later. Do you need help with the PDF document? Should I do anything? Is there anything I could help with? ايش؟ Yes. ابشر. اصبر. Make sure you cover all examples in slides, assignments, and quizzes. At least one example of each. I think. يعني at least one. Should I do all of them ولا يعني at least one عادي؟
No, just do one example, but the example has to come from the slides.
ماشي خلاص sure. طب can't you use that one big ass slide?
Yeah, but like you have to actually run the examples.
Run?
Match, yes, you can use it, yes.
Okay خلاص. فخلاص يعني according to Qais you can just use the one big ass slide يعني. يلا. Teams. Where's the slide أصلا عندي شو ألاقيها 1 second. فخلاص هبعت لك السلايد هذيك you'll do everything و I'll send you كمان the B8CS و HTB3 examples و you'll run them و put them in the PDF تمام؟ يلا thank you.
Yeah, flow chart ready.
No, you're doing it. How much time does it take?
Not long at all.
خلاص.
If you know how to make a flow chart, not long at all.
لأنه I did not have أنا امبارح قعدت عليه 5 ساعات أسوي فيه. ما استخدمت شات جي بي تي قلت لاني انا اخذته عن محمود قلت محمود خلاص انت ريح حالك هذا يمكن كثير اللي ما ريحته كان عنده اشغال كثير مع الفضل فقلت خلاص I'll do it for you.
I just had a hacky weekend, broski. Yesterday was Sunday.
لا I did it on Sunday. Did I do it on Sunday؟
لا كان يوم الأحد.
Yes لأنه يوم السبت كنت أدرس شغلة ثانية كنت أدرس الكوزات تبعون يوم الأحد.
اللي هم 201 وشو؟
و 301.
صح we did have 301.
Yes.
أنت ما درست من الخميس ذاك؟
درست ورجعت راجعت.
ليه؟
بديش أجيب صفر جبتها شو أسوي لك؟ المهم ف 1835 جيت يوم الأحد قلت خلاص خلينا نسويها قعدت 4 ساعات أكتب فيها قلت يعني إذا محمود مش حسويها أكيد إذا محمود وين ومحمود يعني محمود حيضربني واستخدمها.
I very specifically remember شو اسمه I think the grader تبعي عبيدة كان عبيد الصباغ when I was doing 241 assignment it's like yo unsubmit this shit like not unsubmit the shit it's more like
يعني submit.
It's like yeah, just like change a few things here and there that I like it to you have to do this, like you have to make the slides, like your example has to come from the slides. Like oh shit. Was it him? No, I think واحد بعت لي حمزة I can't find the thing. Okay, yeah, بعت لي حمزة.
بس رقمنا ونبدأ من الدراسة. We won't study that إيش ذا Usman way. I'll actually use the slides. Then I have no idea what the class is about, what the course is about.
وصلت امريكا واخذت تسكير انا ما توقعت الحرب ده بس المشكله في الضباط صار هنا تقريبا خلاص صار سكير بدون تحديات جات زي كذا كانت اشياء كويسه ما في واللي ما بيتشاف على عضلاته هذا هو اللي عنده حد يقدر تحكمني لا صوت ضبط كملت ساعه ما كنت واخذ وزن استخدمت
قيس نقيض. قيس نقيض. قيس نقيض.
Interesting. Why? When did I turn informative as fuck?
ايش عارف نسيت. المهم اوكي بسم الله بسم الله. عدنا ونعود احمد يا رب ينكم يا رب.
طبعا.
لا لا. استغفر الله بشكل عام. يدعي علي وكذا.
One example from the slides. Yeah, it's just like one copy pasted example from the slides.
Are you sure?
I'm like 80%.
هو قاعد cover all the هاي.
All the cases.
هو كتب cover all examples in هاي.
At least one for each.
At least one is required. شو يعني at least one?
At least one example for each type.
خلاص يعني at least خلاص
Yeah,
go with the.
I'm like 99% sure you'll be fine.
So,
and even if you're not, it's like yeah. بدقق على الأساينمنت sure بس مش هنقد.
خلاص تمام.
Also,
كم
is he the one grading this one, or is he like شو or is the grader grading it this
No
one?
idea.
And our last assignment, like assignment 2, he graded it. For assignment 1, the grader graded it. ما بعرف.
الله يعافيك بس ثاني افتح بلاك بورد عشان افتح سلايدات. انت حتقعد تشرح لي اصلا. يا حظك.
أنا بقعد بدرس المادة معك.
حقيقي. مش دارسها يا الله الله يهديك.
يا حبيبي.
كمان شكرا. عن قلبي.
عندك احلى كيلو وين كنافه.
والله أخي ترى استهلاك الكنافة آخر أسبوعين عندي صراحة حوج عودنا الله وأعاذنا الله وإياكم. اختار كالكستيوتر الجيمين.
Which one do you want? Which اي دروس؟ هي من 11.5 onward ولا؟
متى المترم؟
هي I think it's 11.5 onward.
والله كثير. خلاص شوف 11.5 يلا نبلش ب 11.5.
Okay, that's too much.
13 سهل 13 سهل 13 كله partial derivative.
I know بس like I think حتى 13 بس بتوصل ل 13.4 كأنه.
يس هي بس 11.5.
دبل تشيك هلا.
هي announcement.
هاي شو اسمه تاع السكشن.
حتى
انا بلا. نعطيه 11.5. 13.7 damn.
واي
That's a lot.
كل هذوك
وشوف بكل صراحة يعني 30.4 30.7 is just partial derivatives.
لسه كثير.
وين الباوربوينت؟ هات السلايد شو. يعني اسمه what the fuck is this? Oh, that's
zoom out.
Parametric equations, linear equation represent a plane. Sketch the plane. You're not doing that shit. You just need to visualize it. Find the distances between points, planes, and lines in space. Yeah, that's good. Lines in space.
ليش حاجة فهمتهاش؟ عم يرسم again سوايب.
Oh, why is it swipe? دائما كانت كبسة.
لا أو بتبين إنها كبسة. هم معهم كليكر. You think?
Fair enough. And the plane slope is used to determine blah 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 blah. In space, vectors are used to determine. Okay, you know this.
I think so. Just
And you know, like the vector. One way of describing the line consists of all points blah 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 is parallel to v. Simple enough.
could be yes.
It's any constant multiple or scalar times the vector that defines a line. By creating corresponding a line parallel to the vector v and passing through the point p1, x1, y1, z1 is represented by these parametric equations. Get the points ladder here. This becomes the slope here. This becomes slope here. This becomes slope here. Simple, simple.
One second.
خد راحتك.
Yes, makes sense.
Similar thing for symmetric.
بص يعني هي نفسها اللهم صل على
Yeah, but like symmetric just divides everything into like basically not.
X equal yeah makes sense.
Yeah.
وهذول كلهم equal to.
Yep.
بس let me visualize this. Okay, sure yes.
Finding parametric equations, symmetric equations. Given a point and a vector, you should be able to find both of them. It's fairly easy. Very straightforward.
ما شاء الله. Find parametric and symmetric equations. Oh. سامح نفسي.
خلص من الامتحان بطلع اتزانق مع الشباب or something like that or اغير جو. انا جاي هون عشان ادرس هذا 201.
CBQ.
مش عارف I'm that quick. Why is my writing MATLAB broken? I'm writing some of the worst codes. Surely this is as good if not better. I found out how to do the initial thing, I think.
Thank you.
Scheme is AMI or scheme is 8-bit. It's just more 8-bit scrambling or HDB3. What was BHCC? Binary 8 0 scrambling?
زيرو ما بعرفش اختصار شو صراحة نفسي. بعرف إنه الثاني high density bipolar في it's bipolar 8-0 scramble.
Yep, that's probably it.
So find the parametric antimetric equation of the line L that passes through the point 1 negative 2 4.
إيش؟
Yes, this is correct. Negative and it's negative 5 to 5. عشان هيك looks very
Yeah, I don't know. Like, I'm just like he's asking if this is okay.
كله جزاك الله خير. All good. بس متأكد is transitions. هاي ممتاز كل شغل.
كان في شغلة تدقق علينا كثير إنه like you have to count the transition from here as well.
We count it.
خلاص تمام.
الفكرة إنه we just don't draw it. I hope that's it.
No, he might not accept that.
إيش؟ إنه we don't draw it.
احتمال
Did you draw it?
I think I didn't ومن like دقق عليها شوي بس مش لنا اياه. قول ان شاء الله حبيبي. قول ان شاء الله صايم grading. هذا اهم شيء.
تمام.
Wait, everyone's doing this. Oh no, he's definitely not grading because we were the only ones that did the program assignment too. That's why he graded.
بس انتوا
بس احنا لانه كانت optional.
بس انتوا حمد والله جنون عشان هيك صار بعت لكم انتوا الاثنين لا تبعتوا لحدا.
ما هو.
Makes sense.
Looks good to me. That's what I'm telling him. Okay. Looks good to me. LGTM. I love that.
تمام. انا مش عارف ليش علقتني هاي تبعت البارالل. باختصار فبدنا symmetric equation لهاي to a vector حتكون اوكي I get it. ف 2 4 negative 4 parametric equations حتكون 2 equals 1 هاي x0 غلط. فبس صح بلا صح والله هي نفسي 2 equals 1 بلس ولا ماينس؟ بلس صح؟
Plus.
بلس
What are you doing?
2 equals 1 plus a اللي هي 2 ف x اسف x equals 1 plus 2t
ايوه.
y equals negative 2 plus 4t و z equals 4 minus 4t وبعديها symmetric equation حتكون x minus 1 over 2 و 4 minus 2 غلط أعوذ بالله y minus 2 over 4 لا y plus و z minus 4 over 4 طيب نيجاتيف 4 غششتني غلط يا شيخ.
I don't get it.
Planes in space. Consider the plane containing the points والنعم والله having a non-zero والنعم والله the plane consists of والنعم والله for each لا والله مجنون n dot px okay حلو the third equation plane is the standard form. This is the standard form of the equation. The plane containing the point having basically حلو very حلو muy bien. طب how can I هذا السؤال. I basically take the PQ يعني هي حرفيا PQ dot n equals 0.
Yeah. يعني اللي فاهم بحط الفيكتور ساين.
محدش يفكر هسه P times Q مش ناقصني. فاهم؟
يطلع منك.
صديق صح. x plus y plus z d plus d equals 0. حلو. Find the equation in standard form and in general form of the plane containing the points. تمام. طنش سولف واجد الولد. اوكي عندنا 3 points لازم نحدد فيهم plane. صح المنغلي اللي ذكرت المنغلي هسه. تمام. هسه عندنا هذول البوينتين مبدئيا. ولا لا بختار اي واحده بدي اياها بلش باي واحده بدي اياها ولا كيف الوضع؟
Go walk me through your general steps.
انا نسيت اصلا شو قاعد بسوي.
Okay, hey, you have 3
standard
points in a plane, right? You're trying to get the equations. For the equations, you need the norm عشان ال coefficients.
صح.
How might you get the norm from 3 points?
صح. I define this as a vector. بعدين I define this مثلا as another vector. بعدين I take the cross product of them.
بالضبط.
حلو. فهتكون 0 3 negative 1 cross product wait هاي بي كيو فأنا بدي هسه ار كيو ولا بي كيو ار ما فرقت صح مفروض هي هاي عكس بس فكروس ايش
Preferably have the same starting point of PQPR.
صح خلاص فبي كيو بي ار تناول هذه احسبها صراحة الله يوفقك يعني هاي جي كي negative 1 3 0 negative 4 negative 1 3 I would be 3 9 minus 0 ف 9 J would be 0 minus 3 ف plus 3 لأنه J is high Okay, would be 1 plus 12. 13.
You don't write out the whole thing.
ايش؟
Like the way I do it is a bit different. I like actually write out the columns and do the diagonals.
هاي بطول كثير.
What are you doing?
I used
You don't understand this.
لا it's this
It's
thing.
this.
لا it's this thing.
Oh, the minor. You actually do the minor matrix. ده بتطول أكتر.
لا العكس هاي خلص.
ما أدري. I don't like the minor matrices.
هي الفكرة بس إنه أنا بحسب إذا كتبت هذول حطول كثير ومتأكد إني حخربط بسالب.
ما هو حتى هذا بتخربط السالب because like شو اسمه.
لا ما أنا ذكرت. ما أنا حطيت.
خربط.
هي بتخربط بس إنه ركز عاد يعني شو أقول لك. أتأكد صح الحمد لله. نتأكد من جوابي. طبعا كلها غلط. لا لسه. بس خلاص صار عندنا اي بي سي واكتبها بالفورم اللي بدك اياه يعني تدلل اذا بدي اياها بهذاك الفورم I'll take any of the points خلاص حل عني. Good luck guys. Two distinct planes in 3D space. Here about. For two planes that intersect, it is possible to determine the angle. ليش بس باي اوفر؟ ليش؟ جاوبني.
جوابك ايش بس pi over 2?
Yes.
Because beyond that you get the lesser angle will be on the other side.
يا عيني طب what if it's exactly pi over 2؟ ما فيش مشكلة يعني.
No, switch هذا عادي. يعني اللي بده يرقص ويدبك يلا ركز
بك علي الاختبار.
وراح تدعي ست امك حبيبي. لا والله حرام يا عمي. Major 2 سهل.
What should you do with a car and Salman? What should you do with a drunken Salman? What should you do with a drunken Salman? This is the equation to find the distances between two vectors. فإحنا if we find the distance between two normal vectors, we have the angle between the two height. If you have the angle between the two normal vectors, we technically لأنه unit vector represent مش unit normal vector represents the direction of a plane. فمعناها the difference أو difference in direction of the two vectors would be the difference in direction between the two planes. Which I like. Hello محمد. ابشر. same example أي واحد ال HDBT ولا APA أو أي واحد. نعم. اوكي انا اسوي بي 8 دي اس واسوي ال اتش دي بي 3. خلص سلام يلا وسند اون ذا تيمز عشان اعرف وين اوقف. يلا باي. خلص باي. اوكي يلا تمام 1 سكند. 2711 محشوم. MATLAB. Please start MATLAB online. Okay. I'm so sorry guys.
No, you're good. Fuck no, I don't want to keep these annotations. بروح أجيب الامتحان. Right, this is from I don't remember. Let's see you have an already. The 3D space, right? And let's say you have your line, you want the distance to an arbitrary point, and let's say you have a point P here. This is like point Q. Pull the X.
It starts from the bottom from the top.
This point P and Q is fairly easy to get. First, the vector between them. We want this. Hey, was because the product was cross product. What do you know? Because like you need a sine theta. this vector v and v. Theta equals to v over p u. These are vectors.
I'm like, it's an error. What?
Fuck.
For which one?
Make it work. Right?
Hello.
Did you mind?
HTTP3 runs, yes.
What's the data that?
Data length is basically how many bits per empty string.
Oh, did you not do NRCS? Are we not supposed to do NRCS?
لا, only NRZI. Here it says NRZI, AMI, Manchester, differential Manchester, B8CS, DHTV3. Thank you.
Yeah, this is a very stupid drawing. That's how the drawing's supposed to go. This is where it's supposed to be. Oh, those.
You know, put the thing right?
Hello? No pseudo-ternary, لا. It's the things I implemented basically, بس.
Here. The point. No, the distance. Okay, so I'm trying to find.
اسمع, I've done differential Manchester. Do you also want Manchester كمان?
I want to get to talk about it.
خلاص بعد. I did B8DS و HDB3. ومن هسه I think HDB3 has a mistake. So no, I don't think you have time to do it, to fix it يعني.
Is just PQ times the sine J times PQ and theta. That makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. No, was it? Oh no, what? Skew lines.
What's this Q line?
It was something like very stupid where it's like two lines that just don't intersect in a plane. Like they like
صح.
forgot how to check for them. It was like L1.L2 equals 0 or whatever the fuck, some bullshit. شيء حقيقة.
It's my first time hearing of the term flat.
Lines
them.
or skew lines. They don't intersect and they're not parallel. They're not on the same plane, yani.
No.
You have to check that there's no plane that intersects between the two of them. No, not no plane that intersects. No plane that holds the two of them.
They're good up. How do I check for that?
Just get their equations, set them equal, and you'll find that like there's contradictory values everywhere.
Oh, okay, fair.
The equation is an ellipsoid. This wasn't even that bad. I just forgot all of them. Yeah, an ellipsoid. I kind of remember it.
Complete the square root should equal 0.
Yep. Just can't be asked.
I think just complete the square.
Yeah. Differential.
Any other help, Inoki?
Huh?
Do you need any other help?
Present will be not in my thought.
I'm saying culture.
Y and partial of z is the partial x. Partial of z. 2 is partial of x with respect to x. So you have 2yx, and then you have delta x from back here. And then partial with respect to y, just x squared delta y. Am I correct on this? Okay, so 2 times y is 60. 24 is 0. 4 plus x squared delta y. Yeah, I still got it. W the back. One over y. Minus z, and this one is going to be the negative of it. And it's just going to cancel. It's going to be zeros. Okay. When everything just cancels out to 0. All that work for nothing. Literally nothing. Domain of arc went from 0 to pi, so x minus pi. No, the output from 0 to pi. The input has to be between negative 1 and 1. That makes sense. Pi negative 1. Yeah.
What?
Negative 1, yeah, it works. Level surface. Oh. Oh no, wait, this wasn't that bad.
انت صراحة
Aaron,
ليش؟ I imagine
equals to 4.
have like any preamble for the PDF?
What's a preamp يعني name?
We do need to have like the PDF, the first page of the.
Cover page. Oh, okay.
Or if it's 0, it's column. Is it not an ellipsoid? Or not a paraboloid? No, paraboloid is z, not z squared. That makes sense. It's a very simple question.
بس اتوقع الدبليو بي ام تبع محمود اتوقع 7000.
No, we tested it that one time. We're looking at like same.
The guy uses his keyword a lot.
We remember when no, you left. We did word monkey over and working on John Cleanar.
Uh-huh.
I think he played and he was like better than us, sure, it was the 58.
He has like a 95 on average, I think.
Oh, I remember something like that.
95 is a lot. I have a 60.
Do I have more? I don't think I have more.
We can test.
بعدين عليك دراسة حبيبي.
Whatever Inoki says يعني شيء فاهم.
حب عليك دراسة.
لازم اتشاور
خلص. So plug in 1. It's just 1. No, this is 1 plus 1. This is. Wait, hold up. Huh? Wraith is gone. Wraith left. I think go to the bathroom real quickly. What do you need?
MATH201.
انوكي جف الوجه كان بده اياك.
شو؟
I don't know كان بده اياك تشتغل.
أنا محمود. إيش؟ لا بس رحت الحمام. تفضل في
I
شيء؟
don't think we're getting a good grade on this.
لا we are بس submit.
Like, phone tag off.
Submitted طيب يعني يعطيك العافية. Why are we not getting a good grade on this? Code looks good. صحيح إنه one mistake with the STB3. Yes. يعني at least it does not result in the same graph يعني the guy does. مش عارف is it a problem with the initial condition ولا هاي ما شيء. هلا؟ Maybe يا رب يعني I hope it's يعني an initial condition problem. وشو عندي كمان يعني ذا سبورت رح ننقص عليه إذا حننقص يعني. الفلو شارت تبعك شغال 100%. الاكزامبلز كلهم شغالات في ترند صح we multiply by 5 is between 5 and 0 negative 5 so I don't see why are we not getting a good grade. Is it that one? هي آخر واحدة سويتها أنا فكنت مهن عشان أنا أصلا ما كنتش فاهمها كثير كويس فمنطقي بس إنه ما توقعت لأن I tried two examples اللي اشتغلت قلت خلاص بتعملوا واضح إنه examples were not enough I did not develop enough effort for that. But no, I think we're getting a good grade يعني I don't see where else are we going to get deducted from. ليش مش هالقد سيء؟ ما طلب فيه أي كتابة ولا يعني ماشي شكله مش حلو بس it does fulfill the requirements.
Okay, so I submit the PDF name wrong with that. We also then put it in the diff. I submit the diff name right.
diff name right? هو قال يطلع من اسم الملف. بس بساعد يكتب من اسم الملف.
I've never tried something like that because like it seems pretty basic if there are clear instructions انك تسمي الملف هيك سمي الملف هيك بس بيطلع منه.
إن شاء الله الجريدر صح حق ورد سبيس.
ما هو؟
وهيك we have the نعم. Oh damn. Oh damn.
Oh yeah.
لا عادي بس لسه we might actually get deducted on that.
Yeah.
اسمع اسمع I have an idea who can submit what you have before the deadline. How about it submit
X or whatever.
before you kill yourself yes.
I would have done that, but the guy gives us homework on the he has his money covered here. What are you?
Square plus y squared. And then we take with respect to y, take 2yx. أيوة, that's where I fucked up. I didn't add this x. Okay. High positive, high negative.
إيش؟ before you crash out لا صراحة يعني I just have one idea إنه what if we submit again يعني it does not close عادي you could submit late بس خوف إنه
هيلاحظ هيعرف
هيعرف
100%.
اللعنة. والله سهل يعني الحمد لله عم تحل كويس.
Well, yeah, أحسنك submit يعني إحنا مثلا we did like really well on assignment 1, submitted late by 1 day because of miscommunication. That's like fucking 20% gone. That's why we did assignment 2 ترى.
طب اسمع we submit كل assignments تبعتنا on time و sometimes يعني 1 day before the
Sure. ما فرقت.
يعني معقول يصير خير مرة؟
Yes.
طب مش هياخذ السبمشن البكير؟ لان احنا we submitted one before the deadline. What if we
Okay.
submit another one after the deadline?
I don't know. Well, I never tried that.
See you tomorrow.
Dude.
لو انا جبت اي حاجه في النص.
Tomorrow ما عندي MATH201 تاجي اخلاوي معكم 241. وين وصلتوا؟
What do you think, Inoki?
What?
قيس بسأل يعني he does not have MATH208 tomorrow فليحضر معنا 241. بقول لك حياك.
Sure.
يلا إذا محمود سوري وعادي يعني عادي عوافي ويلقيت إن شاء الله على ماث زي الناس. And how about could be فاهم؟ يلا تصبح على خير قول لك.
Get very fucking bad.
والله؟
لا. No 241.
اسمع والله الكود ليش بدك الكود جوا PDF؟
Oh, I have no fucking idea. اسمع لا والله اسمع. His requirements for the math lab never made any fucking sense to me. It's like I couldn't be asked. حرفيا like by assignment 2 جبت كله اصلا باليلا اعطانا علامات.
كيف بتجبد يعني انا بدون جبت اضطريت اتعلم ماث لاب وقعدت 4 ساعات.
جبته بعدين عدت بعدين اشتغلت عليه ساعتين.
تعلمت ماث لاب.
Because like I did the first one لحالي. مش لحالي like I actually coded the first one.
What was the first one?
I forgot.
This is our first one.
ماشي لا we had one before this. I forgot what it was. It was قبل decoding. شو كان قبل decoding? microwave link.
You had احا.
Microwave link. شو اسمه both ways like you're given distance and you've شو اسمه calculate whatever and also there's like error handling right on both cases. والعكس you're given a target bit rate and you should see the bit rate is possible and if it is possible what is the distance needed or something like that. المهم like it was really interesting I guess. I coded that حالي مش لحالي like I had like Hamza do one part I did another.
بدون GPT. لحالك كان بدون
لحالي بدون GPT لا أنا ولا هو.
حلو.
I think I did most of it if I remember correctly.
صح لسه من البث احا خلصوا كل البث في البث.
والله.
Yeah. هتردوني على اليوتيوب.
Where the fuck is the OBS? Hold up. Right here. نقفل.
بس.
مين بعت one؟ الحمد لله ما عندي ماث الله يوفقك. مين هذا مازن؟
مازن.
الله يسلمك.
هذه remember.
Because who the fuck has this? Also, إذا طلع من 208 he actually didn't do that bad in 208. I was expecting worse.
مين مازن؟
He actually did half decently. Like اسمع like في
How
كتير.
bad was Mazin expecting?
لا, I think I was expecting more so than he was expecting. Right? He like مثلا major one خبص منيح مش منيح خبص decently right? حتى قبل الميجر بتذكر كنت قاعد ادرس معاه واضح مش فاهم شيء. مع كامل احترامي لك مثلا I'm so sorry right? Major 2 قاعد بيجاوب اسئله and like some of them عم بشوز or like عم بشوز نصه and like he's doing alright. I think he got like 4 mistakes or shit which like relatively not that bad.
4 mistakes بس جيد جدا يعني.
I think I'm not sure ما عديت الاغلاط بس like I